Okay, so in my case, I'm going to add this small bag of frozen broccoli and edamame, just a little handful of edamame, and also about a quarter to half cup of cashew nuts, just to boost up the fiber and the nutrition of what I'm going to show you. This is instant food without the instant yuckiness. You know, instant food, all the chemicals. It's vegan, it's gluten-free, it's non-GMO. There's only 3 net carbs per serving and it's 80 calories. I'm excited to try this. It's by Miracle Noodle. And you can either put this on the stovetop or you can nuke it in the microwave, which is what I'm going to do. You just mix the noodles and sauce in a bowl. I'm going to add in my vegetables and nuts and nuke it for 60 seconds only and enjoy. Yeah, it says here you can just add your favorite protein and vegetables, which is what I'm doing. And here are the ingredients. Oh, wow, it's actually better than I thought it was going to be. And it's got konjac flour in it. Okay, konjac, or in Japanese, konnyaku, is a potato-derived product, believe it or not, that's got a gelatinous feel to it. Very low calorie, very popular in Japan. Okay, my veggies have defrosted here, and it says I have to sort of drain these noodles. So let's see how far we get with opening this packet here. Okay, we get a sauce packet and our noodles. So let us pour in the sauce first. This must be the peanuts and the oil. Okay, my noodles are rinsed and drained. Let's put them in. And now I'm going to stir this up and then supposedly just put it in the microwave for 60 seconds, but that will depend on how hot your microwave is, I think. Let's do it. I forgot my nuts. Okay, here's my dinner. Actually, this is supposed to be for 2 people, even without the vegetables and nuts in it, which is, I don't know, I think that's not a lot of food. This, however, is a great big meal for 1 person. We'll see how much I eat through and how full I feel, but my suspicion is that 2 people are still going to be hungry after this. Anyway, let's taste it. I'm going to focus on the noodles because that's what the product is. The cashews and all the other accoutrements are just mine. Let's taste. Okay, so the noodles are a lot better tasting than I thought they were going to be. I was expecting something, I don't know, more rubbery, but the texture is actually okay. And the taste, okay, it's very peanutty. It's also got a nice citric blast to it, like almost like a vinegar, basically anything that cuts through, whether it be a lime or a lemon or vinegar or something like that. So I taste that. For me, however, this is imported, so not the cheapest option for me, but if you're living where these type of meals are just a little bit more pricey than your junk food, I would say go for it. This is not rich. This is not super savory, not spicy for me. To me, this is a very light, healthy, instant alternative to some other crap you can get. Update, I'm full, but all the noodles are gone. The sauce is almost gone. But with these dregs here, I think I can add in some pasta or something and have another meal out of this. So yes, very tasty, and I recommend.